everyone. I just wanted to stop really quick. I got a couple of things I want to talk about. First, I want to just say thank you for you guys who don't know. I posted, well, let me just back up a little bit. I like to do replica photo shoots or photo shoots of an image that may have inspired me. So I've done several: Rosie the Riveter, Halle Berry, J-Lo, and just recently I did Miss Oprah Winfrey. I saw her image. I think I was watching OWN television, and I saw her image for her conversation piece that she'll be having, that she's coming out with soon. So anyway, as soon as I saw it, I was so attracted to the picture. So I Googled it, I found the picture, and I just knew that's the replica. That's what I wanted to do in my next photo shoot. When I do these photo shoots, it's normally just a stress reliever. It's something fun. It just keeps me in the game. I get to play around with hair and makeup and all sorts of stuff. So I did Miss Oprah Winfrey. So anyway, I posted it. You guys seem like to really like it. And a client of mine, Miss Marie, hey Marie, if you're watching, she told me, well, won't you put it on Twitter? She's more than likely to see it on Twitter. So I put it on Twitter, and if you guys don't know, Miss Oprah Winfrey responded to my picture. So if you guys don't know, here it is. This is the my shot, and this is Miss Oprah. This is her shot, and here's the comment that she left. She said, "Wow, you look amazing. I am honored by your replication." Needless to say, I am still on a high. I am on cloud nine, you guys. I was so excited. I screamed, and let me tell you how I found out about it. I was at my desk working, and I got a message via Instagram, and Michelle, hey Michelle, if you're watching, Kinlock, she said, "I don't have Twitter, but I don't know if you know, but my husband said that Oprah retweeted or replied to your photo." Oh my God. So I was like, okay, calm down, don't get too excited, let's make sure. And so I went on Twitter, and when I saw it, you guys, I screamed. I was like, oh God, my neighbors are gonna call the police on me. It was so funny. And I was just so excited because, you know, sometimes you put things out there and you don't know if it's gonna work or not. And hey, why not, right? You know, I did this replica. I really liked it. Seemed like you guys liked it too. And I was like, hey, Oprah, what do you think? And she told me what she thought, and I was so excited. So anyway, that's why I'm excited right now, and I'm still on cloud nine. It's just a lot to take in. But so the second thing is, I won an award for South Carolina Hair and Makeup Network. Miss Joyce Gilliard did this fabulous, well, she had an idea to do a virtual award via Zoom, or I think she maybe did it on Facebook Live or whatever. And I was one of the candidates, and I won that award, and I wanted to do an open box with you all of me opening up my award. I just got it in the mail, and then I was just going to tear it open. I said, no, let me wait, and I want to show you guys. So I'm opening this along with you all. Got my box cutter ready. Came in this nice white box. All right, you guys, so let's see what's in here. The award ceremony, well, virtual award show was done, I believe it was, where are we at today? I don't even know what day it is. Oprah got me so excited. But it was earlier this week, and I already got it in the mail. So my girl, Miss Joyce, don't be playing. Hey, Joyce, if you're out there. Okay, I'm opening up the box, you guys. All right. So first, she got it stuffed nicely. I want to pull out the trophy. Look at that. It says South Carolina Hair and Makeup Network presents Angie Ravenel, and in quotes, creating your own product line, Best Educator 2020. Look at that, you guys. I love little things like this. I was so excited. Let's get a shot of that by itself. I love my trophy. Thank you, Joyce. Thank you, South Carolina Hair and Makeup Network. I greatly appreciate this. So let's see what else is in the box. This is from Hask. So Hask was one of the sponsors for the award show. And this is a 5 hair mask. It has charcoal, orchid and white truffle, argan oil, coconut oil, and keratin protein in there. And this is by Hask, if you guys can see. There you go. So this is part of my grab bag. It's free of sulfates, parabens, gluten, and drying alcohol. Thank you, Hask. Let's see what else. This too is by Hask. This is their Biotin Boost. And this is a long-lasting oil absorption formula free of sulfates, parabens, and aluminum thickening dry shampoo. I love this purple can, you guys. Let's see what else is in the box. And this is another dry shampoo by Hask. This is their Argan from Morocco. Love it. And let's see, one more thing. Oh my God, they gave us a mask. Okay, I gotta open this up. Aww, it's a nice mask. Yes, by Hask. Thank you so much, South Carolina Hair and Makeup Network. Miss Joyce Gilliard, girl, you know I appreciate you. I really, really do. And for Hask, giving all these prizes away, and that is my news, and I just want to share that with you all. And if you're having problems wearing these masks and having maskne, I just uploaded a new video on my YouTube channel, Angie Ravenel. Check it out. I think that's all I have to say, but I just wanted to stop really quick and say thank you for all your kind comments on my Oprah award as well. It's like receiving an award when Oprah responds to your picture, and she said I was amazing and that she was honored. As you can tell, I'm still feeling myself right now. But anyway, I just want to say thank you, and thank you.